Hey guys, El Viajero Sin Fronteras de nuevo. I'm right here again. I'm in Oregon right now. I'm here at the Silver Fall Park in Oregon. I'm just gonna show you guys how these waterfalls are. This is awesome place. Hey, I took a mini vacation here from fishing, so I come to see this place because a lot of people talk about it, but it's not the same. When you come here, it's different. You can see different things. I mean, it's very deep in the canyon. I am just walking very carefully because I can fall here and bye bye. You guys not gonna see more fishing if I fall here, and if I find a bear either. I hope there is no bear. So this is nice. It's a lot of people. They come to see this place. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna show you guys what is in it. Before I come here, I watched some videos about this place, so I know what I get to see. There is a lot of people here. Beautiful place. Yeah. Coming down is not a problem. Coming up is gonna be a problem. So I have to drink a Red Bull to coming up. This is beautiful, guys. I mean, I never saw this, only in videos, and now I'm doing my own video here. So I want you guys to enjoy this video when I put it on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Subscribe is very important for me, so I can continue traveling. I mean, this is amazing. There is 10 waterfalls in this trail. Some of them are beautiful than this one, but this is almost a unique because you go under. The trail goes under the rock, right where the waterfalls came in. I mean, can be better than this, guys. Look at it. This is awesome. Oh my goodness, guys. This is something to come and check. This is an experience that you guys gotta come and take a look. It's very easy, 1.5 hours from Portland. It's not much. Maybe 2 hours. Maybe with the traffic. But this is nice. So, see you in a little bit. Les sugiero que vengan a ver estas cataratas bien bonitas, a pasar un día de camping con la familia. To come over here, Oregon, and see this waterfall with the family. It's beautiful over here. I mean, it's nice. So I would suggest you guys to come. Okay, guys, with this walking, I am finished the video today. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm coming to the parking lot. Tomorrow will be a different waterfall. And I also come here because I wanna find out about the salmon fishing in Oregon. Because I wanna come here and do some fishing, because since we cannot fish for salmon in Sacramento, I gotta travel far away this year, but it's gonna be fun. So here I am again. One more video, different falls. Very high. bien bonito. Pueden venir cuando vengan a Oregon. You guys can come over here, visiting this place. Beautiful. Look at the waves. Fantastic, fantastic places. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You guys can appreciate all those rocks at the end. Look at over there. Huh? Very nice. This is awesome. I know we don't have a salmon season in California, so I came to Oregon because I'm gonna come and do some videos here for fishing salmon. Since I'm not gonna be able to catch salmons in California, so I gotta come over here, you know. I gotta come over here and do some fishing for salmon. Look at the houses right in front of the beach. Look at all these houses. Beautiful houses right in front. Nice. I think that is a hotel over there in the front. You guys can see. This is it. I'm wrapping it up. Okay, guys. El Viajero Sin Fronteras. One more time. Enjoy the video. Subscribe and like. Give it a thumb up. Until next video. See you in my next video. Take care, guys. God bless you guys.